This dessert is your new secret weapon against this winter's chill. Today we're making Biscoff lava cake. Soft cocoa sponge on the outside, warm molten Biscoff in the middle. I can taste it already. If you're craving something melt in your mouth that'll make this winter a bit cozier, this is your dessert. Let me show you how to make it. Let's start with the heart of the recipe, the molten Biscoff. Scoop 4 tablespoons of Biscoff onto a tray lined with baking paper and freeze them for at least 30 minutes. This is the secret to perfect lava. If you don't freeze the center, it's gonna melt away too early and disappear into the cake. Now in a small bowl over a bain-marie, melt dark chocolate and butter until smooth. A bain-marie is just a fancy word for a bowl placed over simmering water. It melts gently without burning. Let it cool slightly before mixing it into your eggs. In another bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk, and sugar until pale and lightly thickened. This will give the cake its airy, soufflé-like lift. Pour the melted chocolate mixture into the eggs and whisk gently until everything is glossy and smooth. Sift in flour, cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Fold gently, don't overmix. The cocoa here is important. It cuts the sweetness of the Biscoff and brings a deeper, richer backbone to the cake. Next, we're going to brush 4 small ramekins with melted butter and dust them with cocoa or sugar. Then you go ahead and tap out the excess. A well-prepared ramekin means a clean, dramatic unmolding later. Now add a spoonful of batter to each ramekin and place your frozen Biscoff dome in the center. Now you can cover it with some more batter. Freeze again for 15 to 20 minutes. This step keeps the center perfectly molten while the outside bakes. While this freezes, make sure to give us a follow for more chocolatey recipes like this. Bake at 180 degrees for 11 to 13 minutes. The edges should look nice and set, but the middle should still be a bit jiggly. Let them rest for 1 minute, loosen the edges with a knife, and then it's time to unmold. Serve warm, the molten center will ooze out slowly, like golden caramel lava. Add vanilla ice cream or a splash of cream if you want a little extra indulgence. And there you have it, Biscoff lava cake. Soft on the outside and molten in the middle. Only the good stuff. Try it out! Oh, look at that ooze over there. You can see it from here. Take a spoonful, watch the lava flow, and feel winter melt away. If you make this, tag us of course, and let me know what cozy dessert you want next.